Guys, today we'll talk about how can you disable this sign or know how you can do that on your Lemon app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, you just go down here, click on this sign down here. When you just click on it, it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this. You go above this sign, click on it here. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Click here on push notifications. Then you come to next step here. Come here to new posts from creators you follow. Click in this sign or this color. Like you see color, it's gone. That's mean here new posts from creators you follow disable with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribing.